All right, guys, so we're going to talk about variables and expressions. Let's remember that variables are the letters that we use to express the unknown, okay? So when we have expressions are different than equations. Expressions do not have equal signs, and equations do have equal signs. So if we look at number one, it says AX. So we have two variables, which are the letters, to represent what we do not know. In some cases, it wants us to solve for the expression. So if you look at the top, it tells us what all of the variables equal. For example, A equals 3 and B equals 4. Now, all of these at the top are going to go with numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you're going to solve for the expressions, all we have to do is plug in for what they equal. So if we have a number or two variables or whatever smushed together, that means to multiply. So if we have a variable with a variable, that is A times B. If we have a number, which is the coefficient in front of a variable, that is 5 times A. We could also have something like 5 parentheses B. All of these mean to multiply. That's 5 times B. All of them mean to multiply. So this one right here, that is AX. That is A times X. So all we have to do is plug in. We see at the top that A equals 3 and X equals 20. Does that turn into 320? No, it does not, because we just said that that is A times X. So whatever A is, which is 3, we're going to multiply it by whatever X is, which is 20. So that's going to be 30 times 20. 30 times 20 is 60, and there you have it. That's your answer. You're going to do the same thing for number 2 and 3. You just take whatever the variable stands for, plug it in, and solve. Number 4, it says, as a member of a movie club, you can order a DVD for $21.99 each. The club also charges a $2.99 shipping fee, so it gives you an easy break. It gives you the expression. The expression is $21.99 in plus $2.99. Okay, so that means that each movie or DVD is $1.99, and if I wanted 2 of them, I would plug in a 2. But the problem says I want to know how much 4 are. So for the N, I'm going to plug in 4. So this is going to be $21.99 times 4. And then I'm going to add the $2.99 to it. So if you're confused about that one, please let me know so that I can explain it. Number 5. This is 36y plus 9. If I plug in y, that would be 36 times 1/2 plus 9. We're going to follow the order of operations and do the multiplication. Please remember that if I want to multiply, then that means I need to put my whole number over 1, because 36 is the same thing as 36 over 1. If I multiply straight across, that's 36 over 2. So that shows me that if I multiply something by a half, it's the same thing as dividing it by 2. So if I multiply something by 1/2, it's the same thing as dividing by 2. If I take 36 and divide it by 2, I'm going to get 18. So let's go ahead and bring our 9 down. Follow the order of operations. We have to divide first. Fraction bar means to divide. 36 divided by 2 is 18. And 18 plus 9. And whatever you get when you add will be your answer, okay? So finish up that problem. And the rest of them, you should be able to plug those straight in and work them out. If you're confused or anything, please raise your hand and let me know so I can come and help you out.